Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below. Oh yeah, here we go. Let's see what's inside. Hope everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. And got something in here. Cut time. And we got bada boom. Easy clip car mount. 1-button release. 360 adjustment. Strong stability. Andobil. I believe it's for the iPhones. Galaxy Ultra Plus. Pretty much all the new phones. So, newest model. And like I said, one click away. Add it to your cart, check out, so they can ship this to you fast. Here we go, we got all the good stuff out there. Manual, don't need that. We got the clips. Definitely gonna need these. Just gonna cut them open. Alright. You got the clip. Just click it on your air vent. See the teeth opening up? No. Right there. And it pivots. Should pivot. Okay, that closes it. That opens it. There we go. And then here's another one. Oh boy. Got another one, guys. I think it does the same thing. In case you lose the other one, got a backup. So that's cool. So get a little bonus. Here she is. I gotta find my charger cord. Same new one here, USB cords. And there's that. Boom. I got an iPhone Pro Max right there. Bada boom. You could use the, nope. Yeah, see, look at that perfect fit. Fits good with the cases too, so that's a good bonus. And like I said, just plug it in, USB, you're good to go. So then you just take this. Oops. Oh yeah, there's a trick to these. Undo that. Run it through here, like so. Pop it in. Here we go. So pretty cool car mount. You know, for all you Uber drivers, Lyft drivers, and DoorDash, Instacart drivers, this would be a nice one for a good price. Also get your Father's Day gifts right there. See what other goodies they have to offer. One click away. So, really nice. Not much. This is a car mount one, so I mean, no charging involved. Don't really need to put this in my car right now. Just gonna show you guys what it looks like. There we go. It's an iPhone, and use the Galaxy S20 Ultra Plus. Pretty much all of the phones, all the newer phones too, all the new iPhones. This is Pro Max, but this will work for the new SE, whatever it's called. I forgot, but definitely check these guys out. Andobil, Andobil. I get it. You get it? Really cool. Alright guys, have a good night. Be safe. I'll see you guys soon. See ya.